So here we are
On our way,
on another adventure.
just me and my girl.
A mom and daughter day. Mom's choice for today was to go to the archery range. It's an archery and gun range in Aner, and I think it was called Wildlife Action Inc. So it's a ladies' day,
And it's free.
and they have food.
Yes, they do.
So stay tuned for this adventure.
We're on our way.
Hey, you're my brothers, you're my sisters, you're my mother, you're my father, and your kids, and my kids. And that's the way we run out here, all right? Prayer, pledge of allegiance. Amen. Where it is.
It's a what?
9mm. It's not going to kick.
Oh, it just has a red dot on it.
You see a red dot come around.
It doesn't kick that much. It's heavy, so it absorbs the weight.
That's what it is.
Good job. Yes, you did. You hit it. I heard it. Did you hear it ting? You hit it.
Yeah, she's got
Oh,
here.
you hit it. You did good. Very good. Do that again.
Same one.
Game one. I want to hear that ring again. Grip is good. Grip is good. You're doing a good grip. I got some pretty good training. No, you got a very good grip. Well, that was fine.
Cup it underneath.
That's all right. That's fine. Next time, come back and you'll now you get used to it. You'll do good.
And it's the stance too.
Yeah, get your stance good.
There you go.
Shoulder length apart.
Because the part of this is I was always told because you can pull back on that, and when you're standing like this, you know you can come back. So then I was always told you got to
Yeah,
put
an FBI stance. FBI, they go like this and they get the gun and they lean.
and lean forward.
But if you're comfortable by doing that, by all means,
By
do
having
it.
the
If
strong
that
leg back.
bounces you and you feel you need that, do it. But always lean toward. Like a lot of people go back and they're all out of bounds.
Yeah.
You want to go like this where you got
Make
that.
sure you lean forward.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you. So I think I only hit it once.
No.
As soon as you don't listen to
Yeah,
him.
listen to me. This guy can't hit nothing. You got the wrong guy teaching.
Yeah.
Well,
There you go. There
Did
you
she just
go.
hit that?
thank the Lord.
There you go. Look
Finally.
at that.
Now I'm
Oh
You
no.
had a good feeling?
Now you got
Makes
two
you want
more.
to do it again, don't it?
There you go. Can't have enough of them.
Now I got competition on the range.
oh,
Oh! Now you're a natural.
She just hit 2 for 2.
Look at that. You get that
One more.
picture of her breaking it?
One more. Something about them left hand. She's like the little, that little mouse chattering in your ear. That's what she's doing back there.
pull.
3 in a row.
I got that one.
Ed, go get your shirt. Ed said shirts. Anybody hit 3 in a row? And you got video proof.
I have video
Mike saw
proof.
them both.
I hit all 5 of them. I broke 4, but I hit all 5.
Yeah, you gotta tell them I need a shirt.
You're very welcome. We'll see you next Sunday.
What's next Sunday?
We shoot every Sunday.
Shoot up here.
11 Tuesday.
Taking those lessons also.
So Mom and I just became members of this Wildlife Action Horry County chapter gun range, and we are looking forward to taking the what kind of course did he say it was?
It's
A pistol course?
well, it's a beginner's
pistol course.
Pre-prep, not pre-prep. It's pre-prep for the CP.
Concealed weapons permit.
Thank you. That.
Right.
So you take this course first and get through that, and it prepares you to get your concealed weapons permit.
Correct.
And one of us bought a key.
Okay.
It wasn't this one.
Because I probably would not be coming all the way up here by myself because I haven't learned how to fish yet or shoot yet.
She did get her fishing license also. So
I did.
You will see more adventures. Mother and daughter adventures. So today we thought we were doing pistol rather, and archery, but they don't really have an archery range here as of yet. But we may change that.
We're working on that.
And I think we're getting ready to go have lunch. Hot dogs, hamburgers.
That's it. But it's all free.
It's free. Snacks.
Twice a year.
I'm still looking in the wrong side of the camera.